Hello my dear students. As you all know that yesterday we have discussed the Sridhar Acharya formula and its application in solving the quadratic equation of one variable. In today's video we will discuss about the nature of the root of the quadratic equation using the same formula. Okay, so let me first write down the Sridhar Acharya formula where x is a root and value of x is equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, and in that solving quadratic equation we used to compare the polynomial with this format ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, where a, b and c are the real numbers and a is not is equals to 0, right? So in this particular root there are some nature of the roots. Okay, if you look at the format of this root, you can see that minus b plus after plus minus there is a term that is b square minus 4ac which is under root. Okay, so the nature of the root actually depends upon the quantity which is under the square root, and under the square root what is here? It is b square minus 4ac. Okay, once again I am repeating that as of now we have learned that how to find out the root using the Sridhar Acharya formula. Now this root has different natures and this nature depends upon the quantity that is within the square root, and within the square root what is the quantity? That is b square minus 4ac. This quantity is denoted by d, which is called discriminant. Discriminant. Okay. So depending upon the value or nature of b square minus 4ac, the roots are of three types, mainly three types, right? What are those? If b square is greater than 4ac, then there will be two real and different roots. Okay, if b square is equals to 4ac, there will be two real and equal roots, and if b square is less than 4ac, then no real roots will be in the quadratic equation. Okay, so how will it work? We will do some numericals so that we could understand the different types of the roots. Okay, so first of all let us check this quadratic equation, which is actually 3x square minus 7x plus half is equals to 0, right? As I yesterday have told you that whenever this type of quadratic equations are given, first of all we have to simplify it and we have to transform it into the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So let first do this. If we do the LCM, 6x square minus 14x plus 1 is equals to 0, and it will be like 6x square and minus 14x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if we compare this format with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we will find that a will be 6, b will be minus 14 and c is equals to 1. So you remember that we have to find out the nature and we have to find out the values of b square and 4ac, and we have to compare between them whether the b square is greater than 4ac or it is equals to ac or less than ac. Okay, so b square, what is b square here? That is b square, that means minus 14 square, which is 196, and 4ac, 4 into 6 into 1, that is 24. Obviously from this 2 you can see that b square is much greater than 4ac. So this particular quadratic equation have two real and different roots, right? Now the second quadratic equation to solve is like this: 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. So let solve this. Okay, so as you know that we need not to transform into the simpler form, as already it is in the simpler form. So if we compare with this particular format, we will get that a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 4 root 3 and c is equals to 4. Now let find the value of b square, which is minus 4 root 3 square. So 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 3, that is 48, right? And 4ac, that means 4, a is 3 and c is again 4. So it will be again 16 into 3, that is 48. So you can see that both in b square and 4ac the value is 48. So we can write that b square is equals to 4ac, right? In this case, you remember the nature of the root follows the second formula, where b square is equals to 4ac comes. We can say that this particular quadratic equation has two real and equal roots. Okay. The third equation is like this: 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Same here also, it is in a already format of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we need not to simplify it. So from here, if we compare, a equals to 2, b equals to minus 5 and c is equals to minus 3. So b square, that is minus 5 square, that is 25, and 4ac is equals to 4 into 2 into minus 3, that is minus 24. So here you can see that b square, that is minus 5 square, that is 25, is much greater than 4ac, which is minus 24. Okay, so here also we can say that this quadratic equation also has two real and different roots. Now this question is very much important. Let's check what is in it. It says like this: find the values of k so that the equation 3x square plus kx plus 2 is equals to 0 has equal roots. Also find the roots in each case. So already it has been given that this equation has equal roots. That means the discriminant is 0. That means b square is equals to 4ac, right? So what is it? So it is like this. If we compare the thing, we will get k square minus 4 into 3 into 2 is equals to 0. Why? Because already it has been given that this equation has two equal roots. That means it will be follow the b square is equals to 4ac. And if we write this equation 4k 3x square plus kx plus 2, and if we compare this with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we will find that a equals to 3, b equals to k, and c is equals to 2. So here I can write this as it has equal roots. So b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So in place of b square I will write k square minus 4 into a, that is 3, and c, that is 2. Okay, so from here I can find the value of k, that is root over 24, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 root plus minus 2 root 6. So value of k will be plus minus 2 root 6. So when k is equals to 2 root 6 and when k is equals to 2 minus 2 root 6, in both cases we will find the roots, as the question is there, also find the roots in each case, right? So when k is equals to 2 root 6, what will be the quadratic equation? It will be 3x square plus kx plus 2 equals to 0. So 3x square, in place of k I will put 2 root 6 x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so what will be the root here? It will be like this, minus b, that means minus 2 root 6 plus minus 2 root 6 square minus 4 into ac. A is 3 and c is 2, and 2 into 3. So it will be like this, minus 2 root 6 Okay, plus minus 2 root 6 square, that means 4 into 6, that is 24, and it is also 24 and 6, so it will be minus 2 root 6 plus minus 0 by 6, that is minus 2 root 6 by 6, that is minus root 6 by 3. So if one is minus 6 root by 3, another will also be the same thing, because both have equal root. So minus 6 by 3 and minus 6 by 3 will be the two roots in case where k equals to 2 root 6. Now check what will be the value of the roots when k is equals to minus 2 root. In case of value where k equals to minus 2 root 6, we can write the equation like this: 3x square plus kx plus 2 equals to 0. In place of k, we will write minus 2 root 6. So 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equals to 0. So a equals to 3, b equals to minus 2 root 6, and c equals to 2. Right? So what will be the value of root? That is x equals to minus b square. Now in place of minus b square, we have to put minus 2 root 6 square plus minus b square, that is minus 2 root 6 square minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 2 and 2 into 3. Okay. Now minus 2 root 6 square. Okay. Minus 2 root 6 minus of minus 2 root 6. So it will be 2 root 6 plus minus 2 root 6 square. That will be 24 as in earlier case, and it will be 24 by 6. So 2 root 6 plus minus 0 by 6, that is 2 root 6 by 6, that is root 6 by 3. As in this case also, the two roots are same, as it has discriminant 0. So both cases equal roots will be there. So roots will be root 6 by 3 and root 6 by 3. Okay. So I hope you have understood this type of sum. We will solve this type of complicated numericals in tomorrow's video, and if you like my video, please give the like button and also share and subscribe my channel. Okay, till then, goodbye.